I really want to share this issue related today video. I recently went for a sales department interview for 2 days. I think I want to share about this. This is AV Ansara vlog. If you like my contents, you can subscribe and follow my videos. I went for the sales department interview. Right in that, they mostly asked what you know instead of the skills that you mentioned in the resume, like that they asked. Like example, they said if you know whether data structure or data science or the sales related marketing or the designing or animation or tally based things. I completed the MSc computer science. Okay, so it's they thought I have knowledge in them also, like that only the sales department interview got start. The second question they asked whether company gave the trainings, will you accept and work properly after the training in the sales department, like that they asked. I said yes, because no one is hiring via their own training, and it is so hard to find a company that voluntarily says that they are giving training to the candidates. So I thought, okay, I will join, like that I said. But the only problem is no one is giving, like if I am going for a developer job means, most of them say or do some exams related to that, and or assessment or assignment. Still I'm getting the assignments now, which you see in my YouTube channel of AB Anusara blog. So mostly they say do and complete this assessment and they submit it to us, we will discuss and we will say, like that mostly people say in this sales department. They say that we are giving training for you, ma. After the training only you can change to what field you like. They are giving option, so I can't say no. So I said okay, I will join. Things I said before all happened in the first day of interview round. First interview round. For the second interview round, I think they asked the candidates to come on the second day because they want to show us how we operate the company, like that they want to show the new candidates about their work and their details, which is too not important details, but the basics details and with basics knowledge. And we thought okay, we can go for the second round to know what they actually do, like that only we the next second day I went there at 9 a.m. On the second day, we as five women actually and four men were waiting for the bus in the office itself. When the particular travel bus came, we got inside, and the HR who was hiring us showed empty plots actually. In that empty plots, they mentioned about we need to sell the plots to get a high fees for our works actually. It shook me actually, really. It really shook me, and they are mentioning that along training the sales thing and financial thing and the other thing they said, like designing, we have to sell that plots also with the network or connection. The HR said, right, we need to sell the plots from the training period itself. The how many plots we need to sell, like that. When we asked, the HR said we need to sell around 1 to 3 plots within this 1 month during the training. Also, it is a shocking thing to me, but in the interview they didn't mention that we have to sell the empty plots, and I was in shock also. And they only mentioned that we will train you in the accounting, financial, and designing, like that only we focus. But they didn't mention about this sales plot issues. So after a long consideration, I explained and told the company that I will back off. I want to work because I don't have more networks connection in my circle. Also, even I have connections, most of them are facing financial issues. So I said no, I can't do that. I will go back. I will reject this. I will decline this offer from the company, like that I said, and I left. I want to share this thing that before going to apply for a job means you must carefully check and analyze about the company details, the companies mostly have the same company name with a different brand name, so you need to be careful about it. And next thing, important thing is, if you are getting into a marriage life, you also need to check about your partner and their family numbers also. And you also need to check when you are going to start a business on your own and with your trustable people. You don't have to check with your trustable people alone, you need your own research itself. So be careful when you choose a decision on your own. That's what I want to share. And another thing, while going with the sales interview for the second day, I got a full meal biryani. And it's nice to get a nice biryani in their company. So it's a good experience also. And I never got this much caring thing here, because they are okay when we uh, go in a trip like this. And they also, they treated the candidates well, and it's good experience also. If you want to know what is the company name, the link is in description alone. You can see and make your booking thing there. And also, I hope it will be useful video for you who are going for the sales interview, because some companies have different interview questions and answers, so you need to be careful about it. So thank you.